Today, we're going to Best Buy and we're getting a new camera that shoots better POV. But first, we gotta hit this Love's, man, and get us a Celsius.
I'm gonna preach the gospel. Be right back.
Hi. Thank you, man. Have a good one, brother. All right. Hazy. So I decided to go with the Insta360 Go 3S. It's a small, lightweight camera that shoots in 4K. You can detach the small camera from the pod and attach it to your hat for good POV. Let me know if I made the right choice and what you guys think in the comments below.